Good morning! Today is December 30 and it's our last day here at Holiday Inn Express. We'll be transferring to another hotel but before that, breakfast muna tayo. Simple lang ang breakfast choices here but good enough to fill your tummies. Meron silang eggs, sausages, breads. Meron ding rice and noodles, vegetables, beans. Ito soup to, pumpkin soup. Tas mga cold cuts, fruits, and cold salad. Ito yung yogurts. Masarap actually yung Meiji brand. Coffee. More bread. They have all sorts of jams. More bread. Tapos ito yung mga parang tarts nila or mga croissants. Tapos ito naman yung mga juice nila. Masarap actually yung barley tea. We've arrived na at our next hotel, the Swiss Hotel de Stamford. So, check-in muna tayo. Tapos, mag-room tour tayo mamaya. Hi! Ito na tayo. Nasa Swiss Hotel na tayo and mag-room tour tayo. Tcharan! This is our room. 1555. So, pagpasok nyo, ito na kaagad yung, bathroom, toilet. Ayan. Shower dito. And then, ayan. Yung sink. Towels. Meron silang mga soap. At saka amenities. Ayan, kompleto naman yan yung toothbrush, sanitary bag, mga toiletries. Ayan. May mirror, hello. And then, sa left side ng pinto, si ate. And then, may full-length mirror. And then, meron lang dito yung, cabinet with the robe. May bedroom slippers din sila. May plansyahan din. At saka yung hair dryer. They have an espresso machine. They can, you can borrow a water bottle. Tapos, syempre, hindi nyo pwedeng uwi. Pwede nyo lang dalhin para may water bottle kayo when you travel. Ayan. Tapos, may refrigerator sila. Ito. Tapos, may refrigerator sila. Yan. And then, ito yung mga cups, plate, mug, wine glass. Dun sa baba. And then, charan! Ito na yung room. Yan. So, malalaki yung beds niya. May 2 bed dito. Tapos, yung binook kasi namin, may extra bed siya eh. Kasi for 3 people. Pero honestly, pwede nyo nang, dito na kayo eh, oh. Kung kasya naman yung 2 tao dyan sa kama. Ayan. Tapos, malaki yung space nito Swiss hotel tayo. Meron ding sofa. Mayroong business table. Like dyan. Ayan. Si Lola. We have a big TV dito. And, ang pinaka-importante, yung veranda at kita mo ang Marina Bay. So, later, hindi later, kasi December 30 pa lang, no? So, yung pinaka-Christmas, New Year firework celebration, kitang-kita natin dito. Hindi na tayo kailangan lumabas, makigulo. Syempre, si Lola, hindi naman natin pwedeng ikagulo pa sa labas, no? Pero makikita natin lahat ng fireworks. On the 31st, sasalubungin natin yung New Year 2026 dito. Yan. So, pwede kang lumabas dun sa balcony. Ayan. So, ang ganda-ganda ng room natin. Thank you po sa ating sponsor. Hindi, joke lang. Hazel Domingo po. Para ipinili talaga niya yung may Marina Bay view, no? So in the Swiss Hotel, you can choose kasi what view you want to see. And then ayun nga, ang pinili ni Ate is the one with the Marina Bay sands view. Okay, sige. Tatambay muna kami dito sa hotel.
Ang ganda ng view, no? So, lalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below.
Thank you nga pala sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng videos ng Traveling Lola. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow. You can also share our videos to your family and friends, especially if they travel with senior citizens.